Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Google Play Store running on your Windows 11 without using any emulators such as BlueStacks, which are laggy and unreliable. This is gonna run native and you can download games and everything. The only prerequisite is you should be running Windows 11. So without further ado, let me show you how to do it. Alright guys, to get started you'll need to go to this website. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. All you need to do is click on fork. It'll ask you to sign in. If you don't have a username password, you can create one. I'm going to create one. Username, set it to anything you want. Solve this puzzle to verify the account. Pick the spiral galaxy. Boom. Our account is created. Now we need to verify it in our email. I'm just going to go to my email and enter the code there. Launch code is 224761777. You'll obviously receive a different code. How many team members? It's just me. Continue for free. Ooh, I like the animations. Now we click the back button and press and hold it to go back to where we started. Hit refresh. And now we're logged in. Now click fork, whatever, create fork. Now it's in our account. All we need to do is go to actions. And then click on build WSA. Now click on Run Workflow. We select our processor. It's an x64. WSA release type retail, magic square stable. If you don't want root, you can select none here. I'm gonna select none. I don't want root. Variant of GApps. We're gonna select Pico because it's the smallest Google app package that you can get. But you can choose either one if you want all Google apps to run on your PC for some reason. But most of the Google apps have web versions available anyway, so why would you, right? So I'm gonna go Pico. Run workflow. Workflow run was successfully requested. We'll wait for a few minutes to finish. Now while that happens, we'll activate a few things inside Windows. So if you go to Start, search for Developer Settings, turn Developer Mode on, hit Yes, minimize that. You see, when you have Android installed already on your PC, this method will not work. So if you try to install Android apps before and you're not liking it, you might want to go to... Alright, so to check if you already have Windows subsystem for Android installed, which you might if you tried to install Android before, you just look for apps and features or add or remove programs and then type in Windows subsystem. If you don't see anything, that's good. If you see Windows subsystem for Android, I highly recommend you uninstall it before continuing and then continue with the process. Right now we can see our build is in progress. We'll let it finish. Alright, so all we need to do now is just click on it, scroll down and download the file. So it's 1.87 gigabytes. Just click on that. Alright guys, so we got the file downloaded. To keep it simple, I'm going to copy it to my desktop. I have it right here. All I have to do is press Shift F10, 7-zip or extract all. If you don't see the 7-zip option, just hit extract all, hit enter, and there you go. You'll see this screen. So scroll down until you see the install script. It should say Windows PowerShell script. Right click, click on Run with PowerShell. Alright. There you go. Need to restart to enable virtual machine platform. Press Y to restart or press any key to exit. We restarted the system as the application requested. Now go to Start and look for subsystem for Android. If it doesn't come up, go back to the thing. Go back to install. Right click. Run with PowerShell. Operation completed successfully. There you go. I don't want to share my diagnostic data. Continue. There you go. We've got Google Play. One thing you need to do is type in Windows subsystem for Android settings. Make sure the developer mode is on. Allow access. Alright, so once you turn on the developer mode on subsystem, you just have to go recently added Play Store, or you can type Play Store. Either of them works. Sign in. Just sign in. I agree. And bam, we've got fully functioning Google Play Store. Look at that. Even the tablet view works, running without any emulators or anything. Alright guys, one thing to note here is to have the Play Store and everything run properly as I explained in the video. You cannot delete this whole thing because the whole subsystem of Android is running off of here. So yeah, do not delete this. You can delete the zip file. You can go to zip file, delete. That's fine, but you cannot delete the folder. So if you know you want to install this, I'd recommend putting this folder somewhere where you might not accidentally delete it, like your C drives, for example. Just go here, paste it there. But right now, after installation, you cannot move it. So one thing to bear in mind. The other thing, if you have less amount of memory, for example, I only have 16 gigs of RAM, maybe you have 8, and you're running out of memory, what you can do is go to subsystem for Android, and you can turn it off. It will just turn off the whole subsystem, so it will free up some memory. Let's try that. The game works fine. You have to disconnect. Bam. And there you have it guys. Smash that like button if this video helped you play your Android apps and games on your PC. Check out my other videos up here. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell down there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.